I'm here at Bob's place today. He's got the 66 in the shop. What all you done did to this baby, Bob, since you brought her home?
Oh, we painted the floors. Got those all cleaned up. New seal seamed.
Seal seam.
All the seams.
Seam sealer.
Seam sealer. Cleaned all that. Cleaned everything up, and now it's pour 15'd. I don't know, I might leave it like this, or I might put a little top coat over it, black. We did all the inside of the doors and the quarters. Up here, I tightened all the bolts down, and I cleaned all the overspray and everything out. Cleaned it all up and repainted the whole front. I just got to do in there. I cleaned that all out. Put the body mount bushings.
She looking good, Bob. She is looking good.
Cleaned all that up. Took apart the bucket seats. Rob and I took apart these. I poured 15 and then sprayed all that stuff.
Oh, you got your wife in on the belt? Man, you're a lucky guy.
Oh, she didn't do any of it.
Well, you said Robert and I. Look.
I said Rob and I
Oh.
buckets apart.
Oh, man.
I brought them back here and then I cleaned them, pour 15,
Okay.
and then I just sprayed Rust-Oleum over the top, black top. Black.
Oh, okay.
It was easier to do. Back here, cleaned some of this is the foam that we gotta take back. Cleaned all this out. Now I gotta seam seal all this area. It's all ready to go. These were holes drilled in here. I just kind of filled those in, and that's all ready to go.
She's looking good.
Cleaned all in here. Now I gotta pour 15 all in there on each side.
Hook your wire up there to the gas tank, huh? Ain't that the gas tank wire or no?
I think this is the wire to the reverse lanes. The gas tank one is still in there.
Oh, okay. Got you.
What else have I done? All the bumper brackets are cleaned and 415. I just got a top coat on.
Okay. So you have been busy.
Past couple days I've been tearing apart. Took the heater box all apart and restored this stuff.
Oh, man. Yeah, that's looking good.
That's all done. This is done. This I just got done yesterday. Now I just got to put the evaporator back in. So then I got to get all that.
So is this going to be an air-conditioned car or what?
Air conditioned, yeah.
Oh, okay.
So I got to get that all in before the engine gets put in.
The wheel wells.
Yeah, I got to get all that stuff on.
You're going to put the wheel wells in before the engine, right?
Yeah, and then once everything's on, I was going to ask you about the trim and stuff. I should probably just put those trim pieces on.
Yeah, you're going to
before
put
we
them on.
buff it. I'll get those on.
Yeah, it's according to what comes first, how far you get. Now, I might be able to have you wet sand around there, and then I just come out with a buffer and buff around that area.
Yeah, I was going to ask you about that too. Maybe we can quick do those areas. And then I'll
Yeah,
put
we
the
can.
rest stuff
We can do it that way. I can show you. Yeah. Pretty simple process.
on. Yeah,
As long as you-
put the wheel wells in.
long as
The
you don't
engine
burn
might be
through.
done within the next month.
Oh, okay.
Got to get all that stuff ready.
She's looking good. Looking good. All right. Good guys, hey, if you got a car you want to sell, a project you doing, you want to feature it on my channel, or a car that's clean already, there you go, up on top the email address, allthingsbuick@gmail. It's got some dots in between there, guys, so you got to look at it close, but you want to shoot me a video, whatever you're doing, there you go.